To begin, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Nabz Arah, and today I'm with
African Yako.
in Pakwach. It's starting to rain, but we want to make pancakes. So we're going to make local pancakes, locally known as kabalagala. All we need is bananas and cassava flour. We made this in a video that's on her channel. I'll link it to show you how we take this from dried cassava to this. So now let's start before the rain hits us.
True that.
You have never carried it.
So what should we
I
do?
have never carried.
Now we're going to move. We shift to the house, in the kitchen, and then we can proceed. See you guys in the kitchen because of the rain.
Oh.
Yeah.
You want?
So guys, it started raining. We decided to come in the kitchen. Why not? We have it.
Anyway, we are going to cook from here. So first we wash our hands. Hygiene is key.
And tonight we're going to rain. Dam.
I'm ready to cook them.
So guys, make sure you wash your hands. Though our hands were clean, but still you have to.
We need a bowl. Should we start with the ones that are very ripe?
Yeah.
So guys, for this, the riper the bananas, the better. So we're going to start with the ones that are very ripe.
So we need to mash them.
Darling. Darling, what your number?
So guys, you have to mash it like this until it's fine, no any particle. Then you shall see the next step. So guys, it's raining. Enjoy the soothing sound.
Really?
So after here, now what are we doing?
We're adding the cassava flour. And then we mix.
Now it's getting easier and easier. This is the cassava flour that we pounded manually.
So you add the flour slowly by slowly until you form a dough which is not sticky.
Gradually.
Because that's wari bunga bakasolera.
It's getting ready now. Keep on adding the flour until it stops sticking.
Look, it's it's ready. Put some flour. So guys, you make sure the dough is no longer sticking on your finger. That means it's ready, so we are going to roll it and cut it into shapes. So we use it for shapes. Oh. It's sliding.
After here, you put them on a tray, a marble tray, like that. Then you repeat the process. Saturday speak that no Friday bagala to. Guys, our pancakes are ready, as you can see. Now we are going to be testing. Now, just take one and test.
This is what the inside might look like. Do you prefer to eat them when they're hot? Cold? When you make, you can choose.
When I eat when they are hot, I always eat less, and I feel like I don't want any.
Yeah. Depends. Some like them warm, some like them
And some
cold.
put in pepper.
Some let them sit overnight and eat them in the morning. You can take them with tea,
Milk,
whatever you choose.
coffee, anything. Porridge. But with porridge, you're going to doze. Yeah.
That's it, guys. If you try the recipe, let us know what you think about it in the comments. Happy cooking!